Welcome back to Car Trend, the place where classics are reborn and the future of driving takes center stage. Today, we're not just talking about a car, we're witnessing a legend resurrected. The 1979 Pontiac Firebird has roared back into life, and it's been reborn for 2025. This isn't just a redesign, it's a resurrection. Pontiac may have left the production line years ago, but passion never dies. Enthusiasts, designers, and performance engineers have united to bring this dream to life, the 2025 Firebird. And trust me, it's not just about nostalgia, it's about redefining what muscle and beauty can mean in a modern world. At first glance, it still carries that unmistakable silhouette. The long nose, the aggressive front stance, and yes, that Firebird spirit spread across the grille like it never left. But look closer, and you'll see 2025's DNA fused into every detail. LED matrix headlights replace the old square lamps. Active aero lines the hood. And carbon fiber touches bring it right into the electric age. Step inside and you're not just climbing into a car. You're stepping into a time machine with a neural uplink. Gone are the analog dials of the past, in their place, a curved OLED driver display, customizable to your driving mood. But what makes it special? It still speaks the language of old-school muscle. You've got retro stitch patterns, brushed metal panels, and just enough analog-style toggles to make you feel that V8 soul. And yes, that soul is alive and loud. Under the hood, you'll find something that might shock you. Not because it's electric, but because it's not just electric. The 2025 Firebird comes with a 5.0L twin-turbo version 8, assisted by a mild hybrid electric system. Together, you're getting over 700 horsepower with a soundtrack that'll make any car lover's heart skip a beat. It's fast, it's loud, it's unapologetically muscle, but it's also smart. With 3 drive modes, Classic, Track, and Future, the car adjusts throttle response, suspension stiffness, and even interior lighting. You want that raw 70s rumble. Classic mode gives you analog-style gauges and minimal driver assistance. You want the grip and response of 2025. Future mode brings in adaptive AI learning that tunes the car to your driving style. And let's not forget how this car owns attention. At the world premiere, right here in this luxury showroom, it wasn't just the Firebird that turned heads. It was the crowd around it, influencers, designers, gearheads. Even Khalifa-style fashion made an appearance, showing how this car's legacy extends beyond performance, its pop culture, its style, it's a statement. The rear tells another story. Those taillights, inspired by the classic Trans Am split design, but reimagined with modern LED animation. Each time you lock or unlock the car, it gives a light show that says one thing loud and clear: the legend is back. But this Firebird isn't made to sit in a showroom. It's made to fly. On the open road, that 700 plus horsepower launches you from 0 to 60 in under 3.4 seconds. The 10-speed auto with paddle shifters is precise and brutal. And thanks to the hybrid assist, torque delivery is instant, making every launch feel like a rocket shot through time. The tech isn't just fast, it's intelligent. With over-the-air updates, Firebird drivers will get regular performance boosts, new interior themes, and even seasonal light animations. You've got full wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a 16-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, and a Firebird exclusive HUD that projects performance data right onto the windshield. Handling. Oh, it's sharper than ever. Adaptive magnetic suspension learns the road in real time. Cornering feels like you're flying low over asphalt. And with 6-piston Brembos in the front and rear, you've got stopping power that rivals any modern-day supercar. But let's take a step back. Why bring back the Firebird? Why now? Because this car was never just about specs. It was about feeling, about growing up watching muscle cars fly across movie screens, about hearing that engine for the first time and falling in love. This isn't just a car for collectors. It's for dreamers, for the next generation of drivers who want something raw, real, and ready. Only 5,000 units will be made in the first production run, and every single one will be numbered and customizable. Choose your trim, your paint, your style. Want the full retro interior? Done. Want carbon everything with neon trims? Yours. This Firebird may have started in 1979, but in 2025, it's reborn as something even more powerful. Thanks for watching Car Trend, where classics come alive and the future drives faster. If this rebirth lit a fire in your heart like it did ours, hit that like button, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, would you drive the new 2025 Firebird? See you next time, where history rides again.